My name is Sam Medina, and I am a welder at Kingsbury. So I've been with Kingsbury for 3 years and some change. The initial onboarding process was pretty smooth. I'm now in the welding world. I fix a lot of casting issues. I fabricate anything that's needed for in-house. I tackle a lot of repair and service projects. The people definitely keep you engaged. They also keep you motivated. I have some very good coworkers, and it's always something different and or new because it's such an old company with a rich history. Sometimes we get bearings in from 1934, and sometimes we're making brand new bearings as of yesterday. So it's a very diverse work profile. I work across all 3 product lines: messenger, repair and service, and fluid film, so I get to see everything. So Kingsbury gave me the opportunity to go down the career path I wanted to. I actually attended ATDM, their welding program. While I attended their welding program, Kingsbury paid my wages, and they also paid for my food and gas. The Navy paid for the schooling and the housing, so I made sure while I was there I was the best of the best, and when I came back I made sure I could produce for the time that the company invested in me. It was a 4-month program. Well, as a United States Marine Corps veteran, I'm very proud of what I do here. I love what I do. We power America, we power the naval fleet, and it's really rewarding work.